Yo, I got a question for you. Have you ever wish you could one day, just like that, get better habits? Yeah, just like that. If yes, so do I, because I was struggling to get better habits like drinking more water, sleeping earlier, or reading more book. That was difficult for me. And then I found a book that helped me to understand how to create good habits. And in this video, I'm gonna help you to understand how to create good habits. If you're ready for this video, yo, let's get started. There's the truth. Every good habit follow the same process. Yeah, all of them. Whether it's to go into the gym, drink more water, read more, clean your room every day, every single good habits follow the same process. And you can't skip one of them because it's like building a house. If you build your house, you are not gonna miss a step unless you want your house to fall. And if you do, yo, no judgment. Go ahead. Yo, how to build good habits. There is four step, four rules to build your good habits. First rule, if you want to create good habit, make it obvious. In French, we'll say rends-le évident. Yeah, you can't build a good habit if you don't know when and where you're gonna do it. Yo, put it in your face. Yo, if you want to drink more water, yo, walk with your bottle of water with you. Your bottle of water, your water bottle, yeah, your water bottle with you. Let's see. Yeah, you can buy something like that if you want to drink more water and say, okay, every single day I'm gonna drink two like that, and grab it everywhere you go. You can't eat good food if you don't have good food at home. Yeah, make it obvious. You want to eat more eggs, buy a lot of eggs and put it in your fridge and put it somewhere you can see it. Okay, understood? Let's go. Secondly, if you want to make good habits, you have to make it attractive. Yeah, good habits needs a little spark. Pair something you like and something you want to do. Something you like to do and something you want to do. Let's take an example. If you have to clean your house and you like listen music, yo, you can listen to music and clean your house at the same time. Yo, that's cool, man. You listen to music like that and you clean your house. You do something and you clean your house. That's cool. Do something you like to do with something you have to do. Okay? Make it attractive. The third law you need to understand to make good habits is to make it easy. Yeah, in French we'll say rends-le facile. In Haitian we'll say rends-le facile. Fais facile. Yeah, make it easy. Yo, you don't have to start very big. Start small. If you want to become a reader, yo, don't try to read the whole book every single day. No, start small. Start by reading one pages every single day, and after 1 month you can try to read 2 pages. Yo, it's very easy to read 2 pages, and every single month you can increase your amount of reading, and that's how you're gonna become a reader. Okay, don't go very hard. And the fourth law you need to understand to create good habits is to make it satisfy. Yo, that's the best. Yo, make it satisfy. If you finish to clean your room, yo, talk to yourself and say, yo, you're a good man, and yo, I love you. You did it today. Yo, you're someone who like cleaning his room. Yo, if you read today and you learn something very interesting, yo, share to your friend, and your friend will be very interesting to hear what you learn, and you will be happy to share what you learn with your friend. Yo, make it satisfy. If you go to the gym, yo, buy a good t-shirt to go to the gym. If you got a nice t-shirt, yo, I got my nice t-shirt and I go to the gym, and make it satisfying. Because if you don't satisfy about your habits, you are not gonna do it again. Make it satisfiable. Make it satisfy. Now, let me show you how I use this first step to help me keep my room clean. I'm not someone who like cleaning every single day. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I use this system and that helped me keep my room clean. First of all, I have to make it obvious. And to make it obvious, I know as soon as I wake up, I have to clean my room. I have to make my bed and clean my room. That's my cue. Secondly, I grab my phone to make it attractive. How? I listen music during my cleaning. Yeah, I take something I like to do with something I wanna do. And that's very cool. I listen music and I clean my room. That's very cool. And third, I wanna make it easy. I'm not gonna make my room like the cleanest room forever. No. I'm gonna clean my room during 3 music. That means I'm gonna clean my house during 10 minutes because 3 music it's like 10 minutes. Yeah. I don't do too much. I just clean my room during 10 minutes and that's it. That's very easy. And fourth, to make it satisfy, I watch myself on the mirror and I say, I did it. You start your day very good. And when I come back to my room in the afternoon, I found my room very clean and that's very satisfying. Yeah, make it satisfying. That's it. Right now, you know exactly how to create good habits. And that's very, very cool because good habit will help you to reach your goal for 2025. Yeah, but and about the bad one, the bad will holding your back. For the next video, I'm gonna talking about how to break bad habit. To see my next video, man, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification, and YouTube will notice you my next video because 2025 is all here. It's all here, bro. Let's go. That was a pleasure to talk with you today. It's your Ramjack. My English is not very good, but every single video I will increase my English. Yeah, that's my goal for 2025. Every single video, my next video will be better. Yeah, so subscribe and in the next video I will be better on my English. Okay, ciao. Yo, video are cool, man. Video are cool. Everywhere you look, beauty